أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
وأنذر به الذين يخافون أن يحشروا إلى ربهم ليس لهم من دونه ولي ولا شفيع لعلهم يتقون.
And warn with it those who fear to be gathered before their Lord. They have no protector or intercessor apart from him. Perhaps they will grow in piety.
ولا تطرد الذين يدعون ربهم بالغداة والعشي يريدون وجهه ما عليك من حسابهم من شيء وما من حسابك عليهم من شيء فتطردهم فتكون من الظالمين.
And do not drive away those who call upon their Lord, morning and evening, seeking his attention. You are not accountable for them in any way, nor are they accountable for you in any way. If you drive them away, you would be one of the unjust.
وكذلك فتنا بعضهم ببعض ليقولوا أهؤلاء من الله عليهم من بيننا أليس الله بأعلم بالشاكرين.
Thus we try some of them by means of others, that they may say, are these the ones whom Allah has favored from among us? Is Allah not aware of the appreciative?
وَإِذَا جَاءَكَ الَّذِينَ يُؤْمِنُونَ بِآيَاتِنَا فَقُلْ سَلَامٌ عَلَيْكُمْ كَتَبَ رَبُّكُمْ عَلَى نَفْسِهِ الرَّحْمَةَ أَنَّهُ مَنْ عَمِلَ مِنْكُمْ سُوءًا بِجَهَالَةٍ ثم تاب من بعده وأصلح فأنه غفور رحيم.
When those who believe in our revelations come to you, say, peace be upon you, your Lord has prescribed mercy for himself. Whoever among you does wrong out of ignorance, and then repents afterwards and reforms, he is forgiving and merciful.
وكذلك نفصل الآيات ولتستبين سبيل المجرمين.
Thus we explain the revelations and expose the path of the unrighteous,